Well, this is the first day out on my bike since knee surgery 6.5 weeks ago. Step one, can I get on my bike? I'm pretty sure I can. Might need a little help here. I got to stand on my surgery leg and then hoist the other one over. Yeah, no problem. I'm on. Alright, so now let's fire this thing up. And bike runs, that's a good thing. Better shut the garage. Yeah, garage is going down. Well, I'm moving. Now I get the foot on the peg. Oh, that's a little tight, but I say, well, I got it in gear. Beautiful day. Oh my gosh. Let's just maybe go around the block once here first. See what this feels like. Yeah, there's some pressure in that knee to bend it far enough to sit on here. There's pressure, not much pain, at least yet. I think that pressure is going to lead to pain, but it feels good to be back on the bike. This is fantastic. Carl came over. We're going to do a little ride. We're going to go over to the Pasco airport, and then maybe out to Juniper. Absolutely. There's the tower I was looking for. Oh yeah. Smith Canyon Farm, or Ponds. Smith Canyon Ponds. Yeah, looks. Yeah, this looks. Wow, that's pretty collapsed right there. Yeah, I'm not crossing that. Guys, it's great to get out on the bike. It's interesting country out here. It's funny, you find these places you just never been before, didn't know existed, and here we are. This is cool. Yeah, I don't know. Are we going to have to swim down here? I don't. Nope, we're good. Oh, yeah. Well, just getting back. First ride since total knee replacement. I'm quite satisfied how well this went. 55 miles. Made quite a few stops and rests, got off the bike and stuff, but doggone, my knee's feeling pretty good right now. Yeah, I feel like I got a good stretch on that knee, and I'm really not suffering right now. I might be miserable later tonight, but right now I feel pretty doggone good. So, successful first ride since surgery.